Introducing the impeccable 2025 Audi A6 S-Line 40 TDI. With only 157 kilometers on the clock, this beauty boasts a powerful 2-litre engine and a host of premium features. Cruise in style with air conditioning, satellite navigation and ambient lighting. Stay safe with features like collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning and multiple airbags. Not to mention the sleek chrome package and energy recuperation for added style and efficiency. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us today or visit our website at audicentre.ie for more information. Drive the Audi A6 of your dreams.